iconic. Now hopefully this time she'll stay working. A few things. Replace the headers on the Kickstart ROM board. Replace the CPU socket with proper header sockets instead, square pins, so it's in there nice and stable. Remade that connection for the Kickstart board. Instead of soldering to the chip, I've soldered into a wire. I'm going to put some hot glue on that so that cable doesn't break off. And it's a header pin in a DuPont connector, so the Kickstart board can be removed completely for servicing. And the next thing I'm going to do is change out those chip sockets on the custom chips and the CIA chips for some dual wipe types, because there's a single wipe, so not very reliable. She still seems to not want to start up every now and again, seems to crash on startup. I have a feeling that might be the reset signal is not long enough, so I might have a look at fitting a power on reset IC just to make sure the system starts up properly. But she does work. The iconic Boing Ball juggler demo, which I can speed up or slow down.